The Pros and Cons of Recess by Emily Stewart and Jacob Melton.
Okay, so students learn better after recess because during recess they are letting out a lot of energy and they are way more focused in the classroom after. Students can get their exercise, their daily exercise that they need during recess. Recess helps students build their creative, social, and it helps their creative, social, and emotional development. It allows them to talk to other children and start being social, and so.
It's also a great way for students to relieve stress and just kind of relax, as well as for the teachers. Gives them a chance to relax and get some fresh air during the middle of the day, whether it's been a good day or bad. It's that little spot where they can just take a deep breath. And then it also gives teachers the chance to practice autonomy with the students and let them kind of make their own decisions within certain boundaries, of course, and move forward with the day. And then for the cons of recess, it takes away from a lot of learning times that teachers have in place throughout the day. Say they've got a math period and it runs a little extra, that takes into the recess time. But if you just go straight to recess without going through the math, it takes away from what the students learn. Another thing with recess is it provides an opportunity for bullying to take place, and that's never a good thing in school. Every school I've been to has spoken out against it. And then it also gives a chance for students to get hurt, whether it may be faulty playground equipment or a kid gets kicked in the face with a ball. There's plenty of chances for students to get hurt.
Other cons are it does give the students a chance to become unsupervised. When children do become unsupervised, obviously not good things happen sometimes. So because there aren't enough adults or teachers per student, it does give the students a chance to be unsupervised and make bad decisions that can lead to a lot of trouble. Recess can be seen as an award. So in one of the articles, a teacher was talking about how at home, if you take away you could take away your child's phone or Xbox, whatever, because they have been bad, but teachers will allow students that have been bad in class to go to recess, and they can sometimes not really learn, and it can be seen as an award to them. And then, if it'll work, those are our resources.